Hey, how are you doing?
Doing great, thanks. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm great, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
How do cultural events like Guru Vandana and the Hindu Workshop help educators understand diverse cultures?
I learned so much at today's event. I had a great time understanding more about the Hindu religion.
We got insight into a culture that, to be honest, I'm not very exposed to living in this part of the country.
Just knowing where they come from and how that affects who they are, then I think that helps to better get to know the student and their families.
It gives us a sense of all cultures and communities, and we learn from just the type of background our children and our students come from. So it helps us just know the child in all aspects.
I think it gives us a better understanding of where they're coming from. The different students that we get here at Liberty, we're very diverse in some points, and it's neat to see the different cultures that come in and to see how we can help them and what they're going through.
Informational activities that have allowed us to have a better understanding of the people and the culture practiced through the Hindu faith.
Knowing more about your culture helps me to be able to understand the students better, be able to teach according to different cultures.
If I have a better understanding of them, they're also going to have a better understanding of me, and we can connect with each other.
To strengthen the bond between educators and students, our organizations HSS and HEF present a unique opportunity for educators to learn and experience the Hindu culture and lifestyle through the Hindu Dharma workshop. This workshop is customizable based on the needs of the educator in order to allow them to better understand their students through various activities. Since 2015, we have been hosting these workshops in 10 public schools, impacting over 900 educators. The workshop helps educators with the following: strengthening teacher-student connection, enhancing student learning experience, developing a better understanding of Hindu students, understanding why Hindu students are respectful and value education, and bettering their understanding of major aspects of Hindu culture. We encourage all educators to contact our organization to host a Hindu Dharma workshop for this deeper understanding.
To learn and expand their horizons beyond just the normal mindset of we as individual human beings. So I am thankful for all teachers, and I'm thankful for our Hindu friends.